3, 2, 1.
Which sport involves jumps, vaults, and bars? The answer is C, gymnastics. What term is used for any combination of two or more atoms? The answer is A, molecule. Which athlete won the decathlon gold in the 2016 Rio Olympics? The answer is A, Ashton Eaton. What animal can change color? The answer is B, chameleon. How many times does Heath Ledger ask the question, "Did I ever tell you how I got these scars?" in The Dark Knight? The answer is D, 3. What is continually released during childbirth through a positive feedback mechanism and prompts uterine contractions to fetal head toward the cervix? The answer is B, oxytocin. What is the first planet from the Sun? The answer is A, Mercury. Which color is associated with Chanel? The answer is D, yellow. Which tool is used to measure the volume of a liquid? The answer is D, graduated cylinder. Which moon of Jupiter is famous for its volcanic activity? The answer is A, Io. Which furniture has drawers for clothes storage? The answer is B, cabinet. In motion picture, Pulp Fiction, what kind of car does Winston Wolfe drive? The answer is D, Acura NSX. I was given for 50 pieces of silver. Who am I? The answer is A, Judas. Which tool is used for cutting and shaping wood? The answer is A, saw. In the book Ink Spell, whose house do Maggie and her parents live in? The answer is C, Eleanor's house. Which fruit is used in making wine? The answer is B, grape. Which game features a Fortnite-style battle royale mode called Warzone? The answer is A, Call of Duty. Which of these systems functions to protect and support vital organs? The answer is B, skeletal. What are the colored sections in a highlighter called? The answer is A, cartridges. How many dancers traditionally perform the dance des Petits Cygnes dance of the little swans in Swan Lake? The answer is B, 4. What rank does James T. Kirk hold in the second Star Trek feature film, Star Trek Roman II, The Wrath of Khan 1982? The answer is A, Admiral. What is the name of the substance used in a battery? The answer is A, zinc. Who was Dale Evans married to? The answer is A, Roy Rogers. Which invention would a culture living above the Arctic Circle most likely develop? The answer is C, insulated clothing. What event is most likely responsible for a rapid change at the surface of Earth? The answer is A, an earthquake. How did Full House characters Uncle Jesse and Rebecca meet? The answer is B, she worked with Danny. Saturn is the Roman name of the Greek titan Cronus. Who is Cronus' son? The answer is D, Zeus. What scale measures the sexual orientation from 0 exclusively heterosexual to 6 exclusively homosexual? The answer is A, Kinsey scale. What game does a tennis player play with a racket and a ball? The answer is D, tennis. In the 80s cartoon Thundercats, what was the name of Lion-OS sword? The answer is B, Sword of Omens. A microscope magnifies an object with 50x magnification. How long is the object if the image appears to be 0.5 cm long? The answer is D, 0.01 cm. Which organ system communicates with cells and muscle tissues so that the muscles contract or relax, allowing the body to move? The answer is B, nervous system. What is Bitcoin related to? The answer is B, cryptocurrency. Which of these saws will last longer? The answer is A, iron saw. Who wrote Bartleby the Scrivener, Billy Budd for Topman, and the Piazza? The answer is C, Herman Melville. Which river is known as the Silver River because of its silt content?
The answer is B, Nile.
Smooth, cardiac, and skeletal are all types of what? The answer is B, muscle. What is the name of the paradisal land under the sea in the 1968 animated film Yellow Submarine? The answer is B, Pepperland. What actor portrayed Batman in the 2008 movie The Dark Knight? one of the highest-grossing movies of all time?
The answer is A. Christian Bale.
Which famous British group performs the title song in A View to a Kill? The answer is D. Duran Duran. Which author wrote The 120 Days of Sodom? The answer is C. Marquis de Sade. What can fill a room but takes up no space? The answer is D. Air. What does acrophobia mean? The answer is B. Heights. Which layer of the Earth is molten? The answer is B. The outer core. What is the unit of information transfer in computing?
The answer is B. Byte.
Which kitchen item is usually used for measuring ingredients? The answer is A. Scales. What is the study of waves? The answer is C. Wave mechanics. The trombone and trumpet are both brass instruments that you blow into. What other brass instrument does not require blowing? The answer is B. Tuba. What vegetable is the main ingredient of the popular Spanish soup called gazpacho? The answer is C. Tomato. What was built in 1964 for the New York World's Fair?